What'd you do, break it?
Pin's missing on that side.
A pin?
Pin. Snapped it right off. Perfectly flush. Fixed it. We're good.
Upside down now. All better. Oh, we're gonna take bushwhack. 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 That's the drop. Too many different trails.
That's rideable.
Yeah, that's rideable.
Over here is kind of rideable if you want to get really close to that crooked tree.
Bushwhack, this way. Oh yeah, that's where all those guys came down. Look at these guys are taking the low zip line. They're gonna get wet. Yeah, I see a whole shitload of wires going across if you look out there. Whole shitload. They even built a little special bridge for them to get across. Well, that was much quicker than that other trail. I kind of like the Outlaw one more.
I do too.
Just because you're on the mountain longer.
Yep. Well, I guess we might as well get to walking.
Yep. We're gonna ride Bluephoria. I'm hoping this isn't Bluephoria. Kind of looking like it is. Here we go. There we go. I don't like this trail already. This shit's all fucking
Blue techie.
blue techie. Like, that's fucking super techie. All I saw was my knees going into that fucking thing. Yeah. Oh. Here you in. No, I'm in 3 and it's feeling better. At least I can at least pedal.
Well, that's what I just tried to do, but I didn't put a pedal stroke in.
Yeah. Blue, huh?
Where's that breeze now?
Well,
Yeah,
if we went to the flowy trails, it would be feel a breeze because we'd be going so fast.
yeah, I disagree with their blue tech on this.
Yeah, that's some chunky stuff right there.
Yeah.
That should be a black diamond at least.
And I still don't.
They should make a double blue.
Double blue.
Yeah.
Like not quite black, but
Yeah.
close.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Like this will get you trained for the black diamonds, going over these slabs and.
Yeah, because now that I know them there, I'm sure I could pick a line through there.
Oh yeah, there was a better line to roll up over a rock, but then I just had to slow down because I didn't know where to go next.
Exactly.
Yeah, definitely. If you know your lines, you're moving on this mountain. If you don't,
Yeah, rough.
you're going over the handlebars.
Like I have today.
Why are you turning so sharp? What are you doing? Can you pick a rougher line? Jeez. Oh, I almost fucked. I hit that boulder. I thought I was gonna die. Yeah, that didn't work. Fuck these tech trails. Never going on a fucking another tech trail unless I have my trail bike.
It seems like half the trails here you have to walk up some part. That Killington was.
Yeah. Yeah, they have your definite flow trails and your definite XC trails.
Yeah. Oh.
A lot of pedal grabbers on this trail. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Pedal grabbers everywhere.
Yeah, I think this is the enduro line.
Fucking right. It's enduroed.
Probably where the race is held.
It's enduroed the shit out of me. Hi. I think it's the only trail with leaves on it. Holy shit. Oh. Yeah, here we go. Oh, Okay, some people been riding it. What the fuck I'm looking at here? What am I looking at? I don't even know if this is the right way.
Four-wheeler trail. Trail's on our left.
Oh, shit. Please. Oh, thank goodness. We're at the end of it. Drop. Woo! All these fucking off-camber routes, man. Do you see me almost wipe out up there? You see me skid out around that corner? Jesus Christ. Oh, this is so fucking rough. Oh my God.
I was like, damn, it doesn't look like